This here is the 3-cube puzzle. It is a puzzle consisting of 3 pieces that form 3 cubes. Here's a quick demo of me trying to solve it. I start off just playing around with the pieces, trying to come up with something that resembles 3 cubes. Now, one of the tricky parts to this is the polarity. As you can see, I try a lot of different combinations, whether it's connecting different sides to different other sides, or different points to other points, and trying all different shapes. In the end, it ends up coming out as this. So the 3 pieces together look like that. Normally it doesn't come out so easy. Usually there's a lot of fiddling around with the polarity, parts not fitting together well, or just straight up confusion on which side or what shape I'm even supposed to be creating in the first place. That is something that tricks up a lot of people that are new to the puzzle. In fact, if you never show somebody what the final output is, it is a lot harder to solve. This puzzle was modeled after something that I saw online, so there's actually 3D files to go along with it. In fact, some of the pictures you'll see later in the video show what the 3D printed file looks like. It's the orange puzzle, if you're wondering. If you take a look at the description, you'll find an Instructables. That Instructables will contain all the different information you need to build your own. If you have any questions about parts list, required materials, tools involved, or anything involving the creation of this puzzle, the Instructables will contain all that information for you. As always, this is a very fun puzzle to make. I hope you found this interesting, and please subscribe to support the channel. Thanks.